Hello my dear viewers, you are welcome to this question which says that the perimeter of a triangle is 22 centimeter. If one of the sides is 9 centimeter, find the other two sides if the area of the triangle is 20.976 centimeter squared. So we have the triangle. We can assume that the triangle be ABC, and therefore we need to find one of the side we have already been given is 9 centimeter, and therefore we require to find the other two sides. So we need these two sides. What will be the two sides? And the other thing given is perimeter 22 centimeter, and we have the area which is also 20.976 square centimeter. So this side which is opposite to vertex C, call it C, and the other side which is opposite A, call it A, and the other side B. So what is A and B? If C is actually 9 centimeter. So from that information we have now will help us to get the next. So if one of the side is already 9 centimeter, perimeter is the sum actually AB plus BC plus CA is 22 centimeter. So that means BC plus A plus B is 22 centimeter. C is 9. So 9 plus A plus B, which is 22. Therefore, the other two sides will be 22 minus 9, that will be 13. So the other two remaining sides will give a sum of 13, and therefore, so we can say let B to be x centimeter. Therefore, the other side A will be 13 minus x. So I hope now that is okay. So for this we treat it at x, and the other one we treat it as 13 minus x. So I hope now that is okay. So this will be x, our area will be 13 minus x, and this side C will be 9. So if we use Euler's formula, to get the other sides. Now for Euler's formula, which is A is equal to square root of this, the half of the perimeter S, multiplied by S minus A, multiplied by S minus B, multiplied by S minus C, whereby S is a half of the perimeter of the triangle A plus B plus C, and this is a half of 22, which is actually 11. So S is 11. Therefore, we can be able to substitute into our Euler's formula. So our area is 20.976. That's 20.976 is equal to the square root of S is 11 multiplied by S is 11 minus A is 13 minus x, but this we treat it as 1. We treat it as 1, otherwise we'll make a mistake. So that 13 minus x. Then multiplied by s minus b, that is 11 minus b is x. Remember, we use one variable so that we can easily solve it. Then multiplied by s, which is 11 minus c is 9. Right. Now we can square both sides so that we remove the square root sign, such that we are going to have 20.976. Now squared is equals to, now we have to the right hand side we have eliminated the square root sign, so we have 11 then times this, we open the bracket for this case, 11, that is 11 minus 13, then plus x, still that you treat it as 1. So then multiplied by 11 minus x, multiplied by 11 minus 9, that is times 2. Alright, if you use your calculator, 20.976 squared, we shall approximately get, we get 439 point something, so we easily round it up to, so we get 440 will be equal to, so 11 times 2, that is 22, then we multiply by, this will be 11 minus 13, that is minus 2, so this will be x minus 2, then multiplied by 11 minus x. We can divide both sides by 22. If we divide both sides by 22, divided by 22, divided by 22, we shall get 20, which will be equal to, now you have x minus 2 multiplied by 11 minus x. So to the right hand side, let us expand. X multiplied by what is in the second bracket, then minus 2 multiplied by what is in the second bracket, 11 minus x. So we get 20 will be equal to, this is 11x minus x times minus x squared, then this will be minus 22, then plus 2x. Add the like terms, so this will be 20 is equal to 11x plus 2x, that is 13x, then minus x squared, then minus 22. So take minus 22 to the left hand side, will be 20 plus 22, that is 42, is equal to 13x minus x squared. So if we rearrange all of them such that it will form quadratic equation, will be x squared minus 13x plus 42 is equal to 0. So we have formed a simultaneous, a quadratic equation, and therefore we need to solve for that equation. So the equation is x squared minus 13x plus 42 is equal to 0. We can use factorization method to solve this, since it is of the form ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So let us get the product of ac. So in our case here, a is 1, in this our quadratic equation, c is 42. So that is 42. So we get factors of 42 such that if we add them, we get minus 13. So the factors that we can be able to get is 6 and 7. Remember, 6 and 7, if we add them, we get positive 13. But remember, we can also, a negative and a negative being multiplied, they will give a positive. So the factors will be minus 6 and minus 7, such that if we add, we get minus 13. Therefore, the middle part, we write it in the expanded form. So that will be minus 6x minus 7 x plus 42 is equal to 0. Take into pairs and then try. So we have x is common, so x squared divided by x, that is x minus 6x divided by x, we get minus 6, close the bracket. The other one, 7 is common, so minus 7x divided by minus 7, we get x. 42 divided by minus 7, we get minus 6, close the bracket, will be equal to 0. Therefore, we have x minus 7 multiplied by x minus 6, which is equals to 0. Either x minus 7 is equals to 0 or x minus 6 is equal to 0. And therefore, x is equal to 7 or 6. Now, we get back to our question, which required to find the other sides of the area. The other side we expected was b is equals x and a equals 13 minus x. Therefore, if b is 7, therefore a will be 13 minus 7, which is 6, and vice versa. So other two sides are 7 centimeter and 6 centimeter. And that is it. Thank you so much.